Hello guys, my name is Martin from insighta, and today I'm bringing a tutorial based on how to apply the actions on Adobe Photoshop CC 2020. The action that we'll be creating is based on a tutorial that I created earlier that you can find on my left of the screen. So without any waste of time, let's open the image that we'll be working on. And the image is of a lady that I downloaded from freepik.com. Once the image opens, then we will open the actions panel, which now we're going to load the action, then apply to the effect. Now, one thing that we have to make sure is that the image is locked, or rather you can flatten the image, make sure that it's locked. Now after that, go to window, open the actions panel, and for me I have to delete the earlier action that I had already uploaded, so I will do a new one. So upload the action by going to load actions and then select the action to upload. Once the action uploads, you have to go to effect, then click load action. And for you guys, you can find this action on my description. I've shared a link there where you can find the action, and then you can use it to edit your photos for your photography project or any other project. You can do it either commercially. I have no restrictions. So once you load the action, you realize that you create a number of layers that are named there, that you have the initial image below, then you have where we have the color, and then on top we have the pattern, and then we have the final combined image of all the layers. Once the effect is applied, you find that we have a couple of layers there, that we have a pattern, and then we add the other layers down there. You can go through each layer, exploring how they are being created. Then you can also try to adjust to create something new, or maybe to make it work for you. And also one thing guys, that you can change this image by clicking on the original image below. Since this is a smart object, you can upload a different image, then the image will link to other file, the layers, and then they give you a final outcome. So let's go and select a different image from the list. And guys, these images are available for free on freepik.com, so you can go there and find them and click and open to use for your project. So once the image uploads, all we have to do is just make sure that it fits well on the canvas. Then just click save, and once you click save, the image will update the other smart images, and then you'll be provided with a new output of the image of the project that has the same effect and the same editing. So once the image saves, then go back to the original project. It, guys, now when you look at them, you find that the image already has the effect that we had already applied on the original image. So this is it, guys, and now we have come to the end of the tutorial. Thanks, guys, for watching, and always subscribe to always get my latest videos, and share to your friends and colleagues to follow my content on YouTube. Thanks, guys.